On Tuesday morning, a calm, composed and well-dressed Dominic Ongwen appeared for the defense hearing at the Hague-based International Criminal Court. The former LRA commander is accused of 70 counts of war crimes and crimes against humanity. The lead defense counsel, Crispus Ayena, told the court that Ongwen was the victim of a political crisis in Uganda who needed to be exonerated of the charges.
That the government of Uganda that referred the matter to this court and is the main source of the prosecution's evidence did not do so with clean hands.
The defense team claims to have close to 70 witnesses that can testify to Ongwen's innocence. Tuesday's hearing relied on recorded video testimonies of different high-ranking officials in the Ugandan government and UPDF criticizing the army's handling of the two-decade insurgency in northern Uganda.
I was the first commander there from 86 to 90, just a few years, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Some groups who didn't have the discipline we had, now under our command, committed some atrocities.
We had cells which were called andaki. Andaki, you dig ground, you dig trenches, and then you put in prisoners down under, and then you cover poles on them. They were excesses committed.
They had a lot of slush funds that were not accountable for, as operation funds. Nobody could verify the strength, the number of soldiers who were there in the war because of the mobility and fluidity of the war.
Other grounds the defense based on were that Ongwen had been forcefully conscripted into the LRA army as a 9-year-old vulnerable child and could not make an independent adult decision. The defense also said the fact that they were constrained by resources made it hard for them to gather enough evidence to ensure a proper trial for their client.
We need to remember that it's not the government that's on trial here. So what the defense has done is presented context. That context, yes, shall inform the judges as they're evaluating evidence against Ongwen, but it's not the government that is on trial, and it's not the atrocities committed by government troops that are on trial. That should be a separate process altogether.
Whether the defense hearing today has begun on a high or a low note, for the victims that continue to tell terrifying stories, they see the ICC as a last resort for justice. Arinaitwe, NTV, The Hague, Netherlands.